Tomato cages are actually not that good for tomatoes, but they're great for a lot of other things in the garden. Usually you can find two different sizes of tomato cages. You got a big tomato cage and a little tomato cage. Now, I am going to use this big tomato cage on a tomato just because it is a determinate tomato. If you have an indeterminate tomato, tomato cages just don't work. The tomatoes get way too big. I want to make sure I push it in far enough so that the tomato will grow up into the cage. It might take a little bit of work here. That's probably good. And so it'll come up and fill out. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite use for the tomato cages is to put them on peppers. Peppers can be kind of fragile and blow over sometimes, but with the tomato cage, it reinforces it so it's not going to do that. So we'll use these smaller cages on the peppers. Then something else you can use tomato cages for is for vegetables that climb. So you can use them for beans, cucumbers, anything like that. I'm going to use them on these green beans here. Now these are pretty big, so I'm going to not probably push it in quite as far as I would otherwise. I'll put one right there, and I got another cage. I'll put it right here. There. Now the beans have something to climb. So those are some things you can do with tomato cages.